So in today's video, I will be reviewing a new release from Fenty Beauty. I just love that brand. She's always coming out with like such innovative products. She just has like brilliant ideas. So we will be talking about and testing the Snap Shadows. Have two of them, and it's the number 2 and the number 6. It's just gonna get one, but really like the whole point of the Snap Shadows as actually snap two of them together, so it's perfect for traveling. It's just brilliant in my opinion. So I've never tried Fenty Beauty's eyeshadows. Really excited for this. I will show you swatches, and we are gonna create a look as well. These do retail for $25 each at Sephora, and if you buy two of them, I believe you get them for $45, so you save $5. And 6 is Smoky. It's a smoky palette, and obviously like I'm always gonna go like smoky all the way, so I had to. And if you're new to my channel, you may not know, but I love cool tones. So we have number 2 here, which is Cool Neutrals. So first, let me show you the small mini snap shadow here, which is 2 Cool Neutrals. So when you take it out of the packaging, this is what it looks like. It's really nice. It says 2. You will have fingerprints like all over this. It does show you the shade names in the back, which I think that is beautiful. Shade You There, Wife It Up, Risky Riches, Upper Class, Hey Auntie, and Getting Toasty. You get 6 shadows in each palette, and this is what it looks like. It's really nice. You do get a mixture of shimmers and mattes, which I really like. Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow in 6 Smoky, and these are the colors that you get. Colors in this palette are That Deep, Chestnuts, You Up, Second Date, Patty Cakes, and Tan Lines. Of course, this was the first one that I gravitated towards. Just look how pretty that is. This color has to be the most unique out of these that I swatched. How you snap these together is they will both be facing this way, and you just put them together and make sure they're snapped properly, and you get like this little sandwich here, and you're all set to travel. You can mix and match these as however you like. If you want to buy all 8 of them, this is what it looks like. It's super secure. It's not gonna like fall off. We get started with the tutorial. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the Snap Shadow number 2. I already did prime my eyelids. I used the Anastasia eyeshadow primer. that, but I don't really mind. That doesn't bother me. If you want to be like cautious, you could put like powder under before you start working on the eyes, or do the eyes first before the face makeup. I personally can't do that, or don't like to do that. Mattes blended well. Like I said, there's mattes and shimmers. This color that I put here, once I swatched it, I knew I had to play with it. Shade right here. Another thing to know, as you can see, once you snap the palettes together, you can't see like the name of the colors. Color here is called Second Date, and what I find intriguing of this is when you swatch it, like you can see it. It's like looks like purpley, like bluish purple, and I did apply with my finger. Really wanted to also like cut the crease or put some like concealer first to like really make this color pop. I feel like I do that in all my tutorials, but it's because I love it. It really makes an eyeshadow pop. Decided just to use it on its own to see how it would perform, how opaque the color was, and it is pretty pigmented. The only thing, if working with this color, is make sure when you're packing the color you go over it several times, because if you don't apply it like well, there'll be some parts where you have the glitter and some will just be like that bluish purpley color, so you will have to go through it several times to make sure it's nice and even. Love in this 6 palette that they included a matte black. I just feel like a matte black is so important. You have some beautiful matte browns too here to choose from. You get a beautiful purple. I mean, I just love the colors. I feel like you could use this like, yes, a smoky look, but you can also use this like an everyday palette, in my opinion. Like using these shades here, this is really nice. If you use this for the crease, and then this nice shimmery shade is not dark at all. This one for all over the lid. There's just a lot of ways to use this, but I love that they have this glittery shade, a nice dark night out colors, just perfect. For this one here, the 2 palette, I really like the colors. You see, I started with this one. You can use any one of these like for a pop of color like I did. I really like that they included that. You also get the matte color here, which is Wife It Up, so you have another crease color there. The brown also on matte to like smoke anything out. These colors are so like soft and romantic. They're really nice, and if you love cool tones, these are both like beautiful. Make sure when you're snapping these together, like right now that part is snapped, but it's not good. Make sure so this doesn't break on you. Just go around it like this really good, and make sure that they're really snapped well. I saw the names, I just knew which ones I had to pick up. They have all different kinds of shades, more shimmers. They have one that is all frost if you love that. So you guys were asking me that you wanted to see a really dark smoky like date night look, so I thought this was perfect. Again, this was number 6 and number 2. Let me know which colors have you bought if you've tried these. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. See you guys in my next video. Bye.